Good morning, my dear children. Today we are continuing the lesson number 1, grammar, the back grammar of that same lesson, Tubby the fat cat. Okay, that is page number 36. Lesson number 1, Tubby the fat cat, back grammar of that lesson. I am continuing today. That is verbs, ing words. Verbs എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഡു യു നോ മൈ ഡിയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, വേർബ്സ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഓരോ പ്രവൃത്തികളാണത്, വേർബ്സ് ക്രിയകൾ. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ing ഫോം വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഇനി അടുത്തത് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. മനസ്സിലായോ? പേജ് നമ്പർ 36. ഡ്രോപ്പ് ദ ഇ ഫ്രം ദീസ് വേർഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് ആഡ് ing. റൈറ്റ് ദ ന്യൂ വേർഡ്സ് ഓൺ ദ ബ്ലാങ്ക്സ്. എന്താ നിങ്ങളോട് പറഞ്ഞത് ചെയ്യാൻ? ഇ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ആ വേർഡിൽ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആ വേർഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ing വെച്ചിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ. മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഓൾറെഡി ഗിവൺ ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടേക്ക്, TAKE, ടേക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഈ നമ്മൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് എന്ത്, അതിൻ്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ ഈ കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ing വെച്ചിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ. അപ്പോൾ ടേക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മളെന്താ, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സാധനം നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുകയാണ്, നമ്മൾ വാങ്ങുകയാണ്, ടേക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ ടേക്കിങ്, ടേക്ക്, ടേക്കിങ്. യാ. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ ചേസ്, CHASE, chase, chasing. Snore, snoring. We are dropping E from that word and we are putting ing to that same word. Okay, yeah. Snore, snoring. Hide, hiding. Write, writing. Drive, driving. Skate, skating. Ride, riding. Yeah, I am writing on the board. All of you look onto the board. Take, we are dropping the C, then what we are writing? We are dropping this word and writing ing form this to this word. Okay, take, taking. Chase, chasing. Snore, snore, snoring. Hide, hiding. Write, writing. Drive, driving. Skate, skating. Ride, riding. Okay, my dear children, so what we are doing, we are dropping from that word E, we are dropping and we are putting to that same word ing form. Okay, yeah. Next is a B, that is a fill in the blanks with words you have made in exercise A. Just in the above exercise, what we have done, we have a drop E and we wrote that ing form to the same word. So with that, what we are forming a sentence. Okay, yeah. Fill in the blanks with the words you have made in exercise A. Exercise A, that is that just now what we have done on the board. With that words we are making a sentence. Okay, yeah. First one, the cat is dash, that is the cat is chasing the mouse. That is already written in your textbook. Second one, Miss Damodaran is writing on the blackboard. Third one, Saroj is taking her dog for a walk. Next, fourth one, Kumar is driving a car. Fifth one, Grandpa is snoring loudly. Sixth one, Aslam is skating with Surjit. Seventh one, Riya is hiding behind the pillar. Eighth one, Jack is riding a horse. Okay, next is C. Add ing to the words in the box and fill in the blanks. You are given many words in the box, that is a bake, write, smile, ride, comb, play, sleep, kick, then skate. Yeah, so with that words we are making ing to that word and we are forming a sentence. Okay, yeah. First one is mother is baking a cake. So the picture of the cake is the, so you should have to choose the correct word from that box and put ing to that same word. Okay, so mother is baking a cake. Yeah. Second one, a man is, you can see in the picture, the man is sleeping under a tree. So how can we write that sentence? A man is sleeping under a tree. Yeah. Third one, Venu is playing with a toy aeroplane. So that is in the hand of that boy. One aeroplane, toy aeroplane is there. So what that boy is doing? The boy is playing with the toy aeroplane. Yeah. Fourth one, Murthy is dash the ball. So what is Murthy doing? Murthy is kicking the ball. Next, fifth one, Maya is combing her hair. Next, sixth one, the baby is smiling. The baby is smiling. Yeah. Seventh one, Sangeeta is writing a letter. Eighth one, Fali is cycling a bicycle. What is he doing? Oh, not cycling. That is the box words are, you are given the box words. What is it? Bake, write, smile, ride. Yeah, riding. Yeah, that is Fali is riding a bicycle. Yeah. Ninth one, Rima is what she is doing is skating. Rima is skating. What is Rima is skating. Eighth one is that is you are given the ride. So we can write Fali is riding a bicycle. Okay, turn the page to the next. That is D. Double the last letter of these words and add ing to them. That is a hint is given to you. That is a jog. Jog, that is a jogging. So J-O-G, jog. So double jogging means J-O-G-G-I-N-G. That is given to you in the hint in the box. That is hop, H-O-P, hop, hopping, H-O-P-P-I-N-G, hopping. Okay, that is it. First one already given to you, that you are at the end of that last letter you should have to double that letter and use ing to that same word. എങ്ങനെ അത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ മക്കളെ? എന്താ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ക്രോഷ്യേനെ കൊണ്ടൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ തുന്നൂല, അതിനാ പറയാം നിറ്റിങ്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ലാസ്റ്റിൽ എന്താ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ലെറ്റർ ടി ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആ ടി ഡബിൾ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ടീയും കൂടി എഴുതിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? നിങ്ങൾ ing ഫോം വെച്ചിട്ട് എഴുതണം. First I will read it to you, then I will write it on the board. Okay. First one is knit, K-N-I-T, knit. Knitting, K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, knitting. Skip, S-K-I-P, skipping, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Sit, S-I-T, sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-g. Dig, D-I-G, D-I-G-G-I-N-G. Bat, B-A-T, batting, B-A-T-T-I-N-G, batting. Flap, F-L-A-P, F-L-A-P-P-I-N-G, flapping. Hit, H-I-T, H-I-T-T-I-N-G, hitting. Stop, S-T-O-P, stopping, S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. Clap, C-L-A-P, C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G, clapping. Shop, S-H-O-P, then shopping, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping. Sip, S-I-P, S-I-P-P-I-N-G, sipping. Hug, H-U-G, hug, hugging, H-U-G-G-I-N-G. Okay, got it? Then I'll write it on the board for you. First one, knitting, that is we are doubling, K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G, doubling the end of this letter, then we are putting ing to the same word. Okay, next is skip. Skipping. Third one, sit. Sitting. Dig. Digging. Batting. Flapping. Hitting. Stopping. Shopping. Clapping. Next, sip. Sipping. Next, hug. Hugging. Understood, my dear children? Yeah. Next is E. E is what is each one is doing in the picture. Look carefully and complete these sentences. So what that is, you can look into the picture and you can do it. That is the first one. The what is she doing? The first one, the koala is yeah. What is she doing? Not the koala, that is an animal that is sleeping on the branch of the tree. So koala is sleeping. What she is doing or what that animal is doing? Yeah, that is I am going to wind up the class. We can take in the next class the rest things. Thank you.